Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to play Monopoly Go with your friends. So open your Monopoly Go right here. Now to play with your friends, tap on the friends icon at the bottom right corner and you can see friends and family. So you can add friend right here. You can use your contacts and find friends. Want to play with people you know, contact your phone's contact list with Monopoly Go to know who's playing. So tap this add contacts right here. Now the other one, you can also connect them via Facebook. As you can see, Facebook notice right here. I just want to tap on cancel. And then as you can see how it works, invite a friend who's never played before. Your friend joins the game, complete the bar and get a big reward. So right here, you can tap on this invite. You can have the invite link. Then you can send them right away. So that's how you basically invite. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel and ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.